Yo, what's up, world? I'm in Kuta right now. It's about 3:30 afternoon. It's quite cloudy, I could say. But today is my birthday, so happy birthday to me! Yeah. Unfortunately, I cannot celebrate too much because of the current situation condition, and well, obviously last year I didn't celebrate either. So anyway, I'm 29 right now. Many people was guessing what age is me, and more than 60%, almost 70% guesses I'm over 30, 35, 33 years old, but actually I'm 29, which is, I feel okay with that. Comment below what was your guess about my age, and yeah, next year will be 30. I feel already quite old. But meanwhile, it's time to do the short update today from Kuta. I'm in Kuta Square now, right now, and heading into Beach Walk area. I wanna see how it looks the life. Meanwhile, that's how it looks. It's very quiet, but the shops obviously are open. So here we go. That's how it looks, the Kuta Square right now, right here, about 3:45 p.m. midweek. Bagus Watch over there is still open. That's the good sign. And yeah, I will have a small wee stroll around and we will see how it looks live today. KFC, and KFC also, it's open but only takeaway delivery, so as you see nobody's inside and nobody will be inside for over 2 weeks. And this advertising of rapid test antigen is also pointless because it's, well, you need to have a PCR test now, not antigen only if you travel by boat and going outside Bali. If you're coming inside, is pointless, useless, nothing gonna change. So that's how it look like. But taxi maybe later. Yeah, I need to walk, okay? But I need to walk, my friend. But I need to walk. What tour? All closed today, my friend. Lockdown. What the fuck? Jimmy Oliver kitchen closed, but the shopping strolls are open. I'm just laughing about this guy. He tried to sell me the tours, but every tourist attraction in Bali is closed. So I'm gonna leave it without comment. At least he tried. Anyway, that's how it looks, the situation. And this is the famous, at the front, famous Kuta Beach Gate. Oh my god, it's actually so quiet. Here will be some street food on the gate of the hotel. And well, I used to make exactly the same vlog, exactly the same stroll about 2 weeks ago. Many of you probably still remember, but the situation definitely was different, a little bit more optimistic than it's now. I just wanna face the gate all the time to see how it looks. There's not many cars driving around. Granted, hotels are open, okay, that's true, hotels are open, but the situation right now, right here, looks how it is. I will show you a little bit of the hotel, and there is security facing around waiting for the customers, but 360 degrees low, small, smooth moves. And that's how it looks, the Kuta Beach, famous Kuta Beach gate to the world famous Kuta Beach. Yeah, be quiet. They put the yellow ribbon. This is the ribbon what people use when there is murder or something like this. So they put like this, caution, do not enter. And obviously nobody's on the beach, not even anyone try. Based on instruction of minister, that's how it look. Everybody can read. 3/20 July. Hopefully will be not extended. And okay, heading into Hard Rock area right now. This is the Hard Rock Cafe. Was thinking maybe I could go there, have a grab the burger or at least coffee or bintang, but of course it's open but takeaway, so not really any. Actually, I'm not even sure if it's open. It's actually very quiet. Maybe it's closed. Also, not much I have any idea about the commentary about this current situation condition, because, well, obviously that's how it is. This guy waiting for job, horse driver, Yo, what's up? Bankrupt, yeah. No good, my friend. Nada money, right? And this guy over here. So somebody was missing bankrupt, Bali bankrupt. Here we go. They back to taking. Oh my god, this is the Hard Rock Cafe. Maybe open. Anyway, only for delivery. Here is the police station, also not so busy. I think the parking also is closed here. You cannot park your car around. So basically it's just very quiet. The Hard Rock Hotel. The Hard Rock Hotel is open, as you see. The security over there. But also I see not so many cars. The big tragic about any economy and everything regarding money is the big tragic for Bali. That's for sure, no doubts about that. Like this one, for example, just simply no enter to the beach. Simple as that. And Mercure Hotel Kuta, Pizza Hut. Super extremely quiet. This is exactly like it was exactly 1 year ago, or maybe even more quiet. I don't know. Pretty similar vibe. Over entrance to the beach, as you see, totally quiet. I think now it's even more quiet because I just realized as the people who used to have the warungs there inside, they took off the they take off from the beach the warungs. I mean the umbrellas, chairs, cool boxes, everything is just simply empty there. That's the difference. Hotel here open. We are open, as you see. Yoshinoya and Kuta-bex. The area for everyone who is missing this part of Kuta. So quiet. Poppies Lane entrance. I was thinking to make a driving vlog in Kuta Poppies. Usually I do every month, but yeah, I will do it next week. Maybe. It's already July, so supposed to be monthly update for Kuta Poppies Lanes. There is some guy Grab waiting, Gojek waiting for customer. Grab actually, doesn't matter. And here we go. This is the place of the famous McDonald's. What is bankruptcy? Well, it's gone by the wind already. I make a vlog about that. Wow, electric scooter. I used to drive like this one once. Now it's good, it's so quiet to drive. Anyway, the McDonald's is only memory. I just wonder if somebody gonna build something there, because the obviously location is quite strategic, very good. And this is already the Kuta Sea View Hotel area. And this parking is totally quiet because obviously they, as you see the ribbon over here, the black one, they close the access. So basically you can only walk here. So that's how it looked like. Very quiet. The people, some people, local people chilling. Nowadays it's easier to get the ticket or fine if you don't wear mask rather than you don't wear the helmet. So yeah. Jalan Poppies 2 over there. Exit or entrance, actually entrance, because this is one-way road and they are exit on the Legion Street somewhere. Sheraton, gate of Sheraton Hotel, and now it's already the beginning of Beach Walk Mall. Obviously Beach Walk Mall is closed and everything what is inside must be closed, I think, as well. I don't know if in Bali famous is like you have Zara over there and shopping online in Zara. I don't think so that's work. I know in UK it's work like this, but I'm really not sure if it's working in Bali like that. And anyway, I don't know who has so many people buying in Zara in right now in Bali so far. Anyway, so that's how it looked like. I just wanna walk to the main gate of the beach walk. Just wanna show you how it's look like. The situation over there. Wow, here they put even the piece of wood on the gate. Barricade. The only difference is the last year at that time there was some sort of barricade on the beach, like a big poster, as you couldn't even look what this look like on the beach. Now it's just the ribbon. That's probably because obviously the poster like this cost of money also, so doesn't really make sense to make it. But meanwhile, yeah, that's how it looked like. The parking of motorbikes next to the beach walk. I think made some restaurants in beach walk open, like I don't know, Burger King maybe, or Johnny Rockets, but I don't know, because the driver over there is looking for food by online. Probably he got order, but seems like he cannot make anything, so I don't know. Yes, it's all closed. Seems like all is closed because he's already going away without any luck. So I just quickly gonna one more time show you how it look like. 360 degree, very slowly. The beach walk, the security, but in general it's look like this. Alright guys, I'm heading back home. As you see, the situation looks like this in Kuta. I just would like to show you how is the situation. I hope so you enjoyed. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. See you tomorrow. See ya, take care guys.